Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be trying to revive this human hair 20-inch wig, I believe. Yeah, so this is where it's at right now. If you want to see how I revive this wig, then keep on watching this video. Oof. So right here, I'm going to start combing out the hair before I wash it so it won't get tangled up and matted. Okay, so after I'm done detangling the hair with the comb, I am going to use my Pantene Cold Wash Cleansing Conditioner. Okay, so right now I am combing the cold wash through the hair to make sure it gets on every strand. Right now I'm going to use the sprayer to get most of the cold wash out the hair since it's more powerful, and then I'm going to go to the faucet and rinse the remaining cold wash out of the hair. Now I'm done rinsing out all the cold wash out the hair. I am going to start detangling the hair. Okay, so right now I'm using the Cantu Natural Hair Conditioning Hair Lotion just for extra moisture in the hair. After smoothing the conditioner all through the hair, I'm going to let that sit for a good 15 minutes and then I'll be back. It's been 15 minutes and I put my wig on a mannequin head to sit and let the conditioner soak in before I rinse it out. And so now I'm going to rinse the wig off. This is how the hair looks once I get it out the water and ready to blow dry. Now I'm back and I'm about to comb out the hair and get ready to blow dry it. Let me stop. Or maybe not. I'm going to spray some of this heat protecting spray on the hair before blow drying it. And I really like Silk Elements. It's really good. It's very light on the hair and it smells really good too. So this is almost done blow drying. I did most of it off camera. Okay, so I put the wig on my head and this is after I blow dry it and how it looks. I start off using this brush flat iron just to go over my hair first before using a regular flat iron. It's just easier to me this way. So I went ahead and did the rest of my head off camera, and now I'm just going over it with the brush flat iron one more time before I get the regular flat iron and go over my whole head again. So this is my hair completed flat iron, and now I'm going to add some hairspray to lay down some flyaways. Since I washed my wig, all my powder foundation wore off my part, so now I'm taking some more to color in my part so it can look more natural. Okay, so this is the finishing look. It's nice and straight, it's nice and flowy, it's back to life, and yeah. So that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.